Alrighty, so now I'm back at the machine, and what you're going to do is make sure that you take the thread out of the take-up lever, and you want to just put it to the side, and you want to make sure that you then take out your bobbin case. Okay, once we've done that, now we're going to be able to take the top portion, which is the throat plate, off. So you're going to take 3 screws out, and you're just going to loosen this back screw. So we'll take the 3 screws out. Give me a second here. Set them in a safe spot, because you don't want to lose them. If you have an older machine with a thread cutter, you're going to find that there are washers underneath. If you have one of the newer machines, the MY19s, you'll find that there are no washers. There's just these stand-ups, so we don't have to worry about that. So you notice it's pretty dirty in here, and I've left it that way so you can see. So the first thing I like to do is wipe out everything here. I'm going to wipe out any excess, and you see it's pretty dirty. And it doesn't take much to do that, to get that dirty. And you wipe out everything. I like to get in here. And now I'll take my air and just cleaning out everything there. I then will take my WD-40, give it a good shake, and get it in the top and then down inside. You're going to take your stitch regulator off. I'm on Lucy, so you're going to press the button to shut your stitch regulator off. If you're on Millie, the switch is right about here. You're going to shut that off, and now you're going to run the machine. You're going to run the machine for about 30 seconds so that you can get that cleaner all the way through. You're going to then wipe out everything in here, inside the hook assembly. Don't be afraid, it's your machine, you're good. Clean out everything. Now you're going to take your oil, boop, boop, and you're going to put 1 drop of oil at the top. And I like to give another drop of oil right about there. Take your hand wheel, which is on the side, and rotate it up, always up. And then you go ahead and you run it. And you run it for again about another 30 seconds. Once you've done that, you wipe down everything. Your scoop foot, if you've got your scoop foot on, you're going to wipe the excess oil out from inside. In here. And then your tabletop, or actually it's your carriage, but I like to call it my tabletop. Wipe that down, and you are good to go. Put your screws back in, put your thread back in, put your stitch regulator back on, that's the one I always forget, and you are ready to go. I hope that helps.